I'm working on the dump truck, and I try to get it to start, and I even have Rambler connected with these massive battery cables here, and it's got no signs of starting. And so I disconnected the batteries, as you can see, and I checked the voltage across them, and it's like 0 volts, literally. And I even put a wire across them to test it, and there's nothing, no sparks, nothing. So these batteries are completely dead. I don't know if something stayed on over winter. I've got no idea, but they're just completely dead. I tried to recharge them for a while and nothing, so I don't know. We're just gonna remove them and put these batteries here that are new. And basically I just want to get this to start so that I can lift the dump box up and I can start working on the differential and the transmission. Most likely, in all likelihood, I'm going to replace this transmission with the 15 speed just because I want to get the deep reduction for this terrain. The 13 speed is probably just not good enough. But by the way, if you haven't watched, I have a separate video on how I test batteries, the primitive way, without any tools or equipment. But what's probably going to end up happening here is, in order for me to replace these batteries, and I've tried just jump starting them with the cables, and I don't know exactly why, but that's just not good enough. I think that bad batteries actually drain the good batteries. So in some cases, you can't just try to jump start the car or the vehicle. You actually need to remove the bad batteries. But this thing is just completely rotted out, and as you can see, I actually have like a threaded rod that went all the way around here, and it's clamped onto the air tanks. So it's probably just going to end up becoming a small restoration project here. But yeah, that's where we're at. The truck isn't going to move anytime soon, so we have a bunch of work, like I said, to do beforehand. So at this point, I just want to remove the batteries, remove all this crap, and put the new batteries in so that I can get start, so that I can get the box lifted, and then yeah, we'll go from there.